Wow. Wow. Talk about giant fucking candle right there. That knocked out a lot of sells though. That did knock out a good portion of that sell wall that we had on MET-C as people took profits there. So this will make the price get stronger. Look at that. Fuck, 48%. But over 38% from that last green block that we had there. So it's pretty big. It got sold into very fast as well. They were like, goodbye. Don't market buy. If you don't have to, don't market buy. But on the debt screener, I'm looking at the other one, and it's pretty interesting. It did not do that on the debt screener, though. Price was still about the same, so people took profits, and then they probably going to buy on the pulse chain side. But when liquidity comes back, we're going to have more of this stuff happening. So plan and prepare.
That was really only 8.5 million right there that made it move 40%, 38%.
Yep. The total candle is over 8.9 million. But it came at a good time because we still have the hourly candle ending in about a little bit over 15 minutes. So when you look at the hourly candle for HEX over here, look at this. It looked pretty damn good over here now on the hourly candle. You switch it to the 4-hour candle and then boom, look at this. So from that sideways trading range that we had for a while after our last pumps, this sideways went for about 5 days. And after this 5 days period, we just ran up over 77%. So it did make the 4-hour and the hourly chart look a lot better now. So pretty damn good. You guys want me to do it again? You should not have any expectations from the work of others. Let's do another green block though, just out of curiosity. Let's do another green block just for fun over here. For funsy. Oh shit, it's already running. By the time I drew it and then put the screenshot in Discord, it's already went up a decent amount. Oh, another one! Oh my god, he pushed again!
Did you buy 10 million more, Tame? Was this one you?
I'm not Tame. Who's Tame? I'm Pablo Escobar. I'm bearish on crypto but bullish on Doge and HEX. I got the bear money. I got the fucking crypto bear money.
Go get him.
I'm Pablo Escobar. I don't know who Tametheark is. Pablo Escobar. I got that Pablo money. Ba boom, ba boom, ba boom. Look at the price from that last green block again. Boom. Another 38%. You're fucking welcome. They're running out of HEX to sell us.
How much money does it take to make that candle?
That last one took less money. Because they're running out of HEX to sell us. The only way to get more HEX, they have to bridge it out of Pulse Chain or do Uniswap, which costs a lot of money as well.
Yeah, no, I bought it on MEXC a couple of weeks ago at like 0.02, 002, but I only bought $100 worth, and it moved a lot just off that 100.
Anybody want to fight? Fight this Pablo Escobar. Oh, you know what would be hilarious? If they had like computer chair boxing, where each boxer has to sit in a computer chair. They cannot stand up. That would be
Pro with Knife did 400% yesterday.
That would be hilarious. Dude, these fucking green blocks. Something about these Tametheark green blocks, I'll tell you. It's fucking wild. It's fucking wild. Well, you guys know. Wheelchair boxing different. Those people, they have wheels, like big wheels. Let me check something real quick. You guys taking profits. I already know it. I don't care. I don't fucking care. Same way people are taking profits on Tane Token. At the end of the day, I don't care. That liquidity is going to be brought back. Oh, man. No, I didn't say I was going to go to sleep. I was going to take a break and do something, and I did something, and now I'm back. So we had the green block earlier on HEX at 0.002267. Don't forget that old Elon Musk tweet where he says he has a fondness for HEX. You go down over here. Got some of my DCA buys as well. We had a green block, and then the price shot up over 39% from that green block for HEX. It went up to the 0.00316 range. Come down. After we came down from that price, we had a green block at 0.0025. And after that 0.0025 green block, it shot up to over 0.0032 again for another big pump. So it's pretty cool seeing this green block in these pumps on the HEX. Really nice seeing it go up 40% here, over 70% in a day. I'm liking it. I don't know about you guys. I did a poll earlier seeing if anybody's holding at least a million HEX. Over 85% said they are not even holding a million. So, makes you wonder. I'm not going to do another green block for a bit. I'm just going to let it ride from here, from this last green block, because I don't want to jinx it, you know. But if it breaks the charts up here and runs towards that 1 cent range, it would be nice to have a million HEX. Early a million, now a million HEX costs you about $2,400. Up here, a million HEX cost about $3,200. Down here, a million HEX cost $1,800. Down here on this big dip, though, a million hets only costs $1,690. But currently, a million hets now costs significantly more than yesterday, and the day before, and the day before, and the day before. So it's pretty cool getting these green blocks in and seeing the price run up 40%. Right now, a million hets is about $2,400 emod, but that price could change any moment.
That 40%'s gone.
But it knocked out a lot of those cells up there above us. It broke into those cell walls. It really broke into those cell walls, which is very good. So, I'm looking at the order book now. Man. It would not even take that much money to push up to the 0.003 now. Because we don't have that many orders above us, actually. My God, the order book is lit. Oh, the big cell walls are at 0.004 for 9 million. 0.005. Yeah. The really big one's at 0.008 for 25 million. Oh my God. Those walls are going to crumble. My guess is how much hets you got, team. Some people, at least 10 million hets would probably be comfortable from the bottom to the top. 10 million hets, you would probably be comfortable from the bottom to the top. But if you want to be wellish, ideally at least 100 million. And if you bought 100 million hets times 0.00118 range for your average, it would only cost you $180,000. Like 100 million hets would have only cost you $180,000 right now. Sorry, not right now, but before. And right now, it would be worth over $284,000 up here. So, getting those bottoms and watching it go up 30, 40, 50, 60, 70% is very good. And we have 6 minutes until this hourly candle. I have a feeling this hourly candle wants to end green. We have 6 minutes. Hold on to your toes. Because if you look at hets over here on the 4 hour, we already broke that double bottom target, by the way. That double bottom target was broke. Look at this. We had the double bottom target right here, and it reached. So our double bottom was at 0.00142. If you would have got that second bottom on hets over here and wrote up that 0.0022 target, that's 69% play right there. But at that top wick, not everybody could sell at the top wick, but that was over 130%. But we do have the 4 hour candle and the hourly candle and 30-minute candle ending in 5 minutes. And I think it's going to be ending green. So if you buy HEX back here at 0.00213, if HEX goes to 5 cents and you put $1,000, every $1,000 turns into $22,700 from this price up to 5 cents. We also have another target that's not hit yet, bigger target at 0.0054. So we already hit this target. But I want to zoom in here and so we did reach this target. We did reach this trading view target. Notice every time where I put LOL on the chart, by the way. Is the price above every LOL? Yeah, significantly. So, and that was over a 70% play. Let me go ahead and add the word HEX on here so you know this is HEX. Now we get these green candles everybody wants to know about HEX today, apparently. But let me take a picture of this real quick. So this was the 4-hour chart. 4-hour double bottom. Oh, you need to round that up to 1 million, Carmen. If it's 1 million, it's easier to calculate, but I understand if you don't want to get 1 million. But I want to see how this 4-hour candle closes over here. Notice our 4-hour candles have been getting bigger. This candle is over 20 million HEX. This candle is over 18 million HEX. I told you guys earlier in the stream that I was going to do my dollar cost average later in the day. I did those later in the day on purpose. I want these candles to end as green as possible. All right, 2 more minutes to see. And the price is still a little bit cheaper on the pulse chain swap. And they're still swapping it out now. They're swapping pulse chain HEX for EHEX now. But we have 2 minutes, and I want to see how this candle ends. I taunted some people earlier by drawing a red block. And after that red block, we pushed up over 14% to get to the green block. Actually, it was more. I gotta put it on 5 minutes so you can see that. But this is big candles. But we hit the double bottom target on the 4-hour. And HEX is starting to look really good now for a lot of traders. And a while back, HEX was very, very good area of being oversold compared to Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum. All right, one more minute, and then we get the hourly candle and 4-hour candle. But HEX is pumping tonight. We are fucking running. All right, the hourly candle is here, rolling in. All right, so this is the hourly candle. Yeah! Fucking green, baby. Let's go. Fucking green. Let's go. This is the 4-hour candle. This is what the hourly candles look like. Still green. Still green. Look, our daily candle just turned green because of this as well. Green daily candle. 4-hour candle. Let's look at the weekly candle. Yeah, finally got a green weekly candle. Holy balls. Holy balls. Holy balls. Holy balls. We haven't had a green weekly candle in over 56 days. Fuck! Yes! 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 Finally got a green candle. Fuck! Finally! Fuck, yes! 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 Look at all the days you could have bought this bad boy. Yes! 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 Look at all these areas. Fuck. Fuck. From our last green block, by the way, last green block, is up over, it went up over 24%, by the way. HEX is doing pretty strong compared to everything else we have on the screen up here. Don't forget that Elon Musk tweet before where he says he has a fondness for HEX. If you're not on METC, and if you can KYC on METC, you can use that Pal Out ID. But HEX is on METC still for the spot trading. And it's not on futures platforms yet. Yet. Take it with a grain of salt. It's not on future platforms yet. Alright, we got the daily candle over there. Got the 4 hour, hourly. All looking pretty good. Looking good. Let me take off my mask real quick. Alright, so. Alright, this Dogecoin long's still pretty negative though. Got the camera off for a second. I was coughing a little bit. Sending out a little bit more of those tame token bounties, by the way. So, on that note, I'm probably going to hop off here pretty soon. You guys have a good trading. Peace out.